Hi guys, ito yung ibibigay ko kay from USA to Leyte, Raquel Oledan. I-open ko muna siya bago ko siya ipapadala kasi para alam ko kung anong laman na ito. Nasaan na yung taglit ha? Ngayon guys, bubuksan muna natin to. We'll open this one because I don't want to bring this to thing, and it's from LDC, and it's actually ordered through Amazon, and I'm going to check if what's really inside. It seems like it's being opened already. This one. See, this is not sealed. So we'll have to open it here. Parang bukas na siya guys. Binuksan na siya. Galing nila binuksan yung item. Ayan, Galaxy A14 din to. Meron din siyang dito. So, wala naman sigurong kotse si pero siya na lang bahala. Wala naman siyang card. Parang binuksan na talaga siya. Buksan muna natin guys just to make sure kung talagang may laman kasi parang binuksan na siya eh. Feeling ko talaga binuksan to guys. Ayan, meron siyang meron siyang ganito. Ayan, siguro wala namang i-keep ko na lang muna to. Kasi wala namang kotse si Raquel Oledan. Ito yung ibibigay natin sa kanya kasi ito naman talaga yung ibibigay natin, pinag-usapan. Kaso lang, ayan, sealed siya guys. Hindi ko na to bubuksan kasi kailangan it has to be closed direct to the owner who's going to use this item. So I'm pretty sure kasi Raquel Oledan, you don't have car, diba? So I have a car, so I'm going to keep this, and this is the one for you. And I'm going to shop a little bit grocery for her baby and for her para po ay magkaroon po ng something for yung baby like vitamins or something, milk. Yan. So ibabalik ko po siya kasi wala rin po siyang wala pa siyang, hindi pa siya included lang. Hindi pa siya included. So ito na yung kanyang price, pero dito ko lang din siya ilagay. Kasi ang napag-usapan naman namin is cellphone po yung ibibigay namin sa kanya. Which is this one is good for the car. So wala pong car si Raquel. Papalitan ko ng charger yan. So ilalagay ko siya dito. Dapat pala to guys, naka-sealed. Kasi na-open na siya ng ng Aramex. So hindi na siya wala na yung box ng pinaka ng Amazon. Kasi ito dapat to to sa lagayan ng Amazon. So means na-open na siya sa cargo dito sa atin. Pero yung item hindi naman siya na-open, which is ito ay kinikip ko to dahil proven naman na wala talagang kotse si Raquel. Papalitan ko po ito Raquel Oledan ng charger. Pero ang alam ko meron itong meron siyang cord. Ang gagawin ko is change ko siya ng charger. So, ayan. So, pupunta muna kami guys sa walang scotch tape rin eh. Saglit lang. Ayan guys, isi-seal ko muna siya para isi-seal ko muna siya para pag ayan Raquel Olida kasi isi-seal ko siya ng bonggang-bongga. Kasi dapat hindi ito nabubuksan. Kahit na sino. Ito LBC. So. Kasi syempre, bilang ko pa siya ng charger. Yung charger mo ba te is USB?
May ako ng ulo.
Oo nga, yung niya is, guys, pansamantala, iaano ko muna siya. Ito ay papalitan ko po ng charger. Kagaya kasi ng ganitong charger, yung ibibili natin. Type C po. Yan. Kasi yung pinaka-charger niya. A14 kasi yung product. Tapos ganito yung bibilhin ko for her. Okay guys, so ayan. Ito sa akin muna to, wala namang kotse siya. Kasi ito, bihira lang kasi ito mabili guys. Lalo na doon sa sa area ng Leyte. So, maganda na siguro na bibilang ko na siya rito. So, ayan guys. Sinil ko muna siya saglit. Dalhin ko na lang yung aking scotch tape tsaka ito. At pupunta kami sa LBC. Ayan. Thank you po. Hi guys. I've been in the Mercury drugstore and I bought some diaper for the baby of Raquel Olidan and some kind of ascorbic acid for her, saline for her, vitamins, Musip in case if you have a cold, and kids easily get cold, and Tiki-Tiki for vitamins, and Nutrilin also for her vitamins because she is like maybe low blood, and if she will have, or in case if she will have hopefully not, a fever. So, and I bought also for her a milk because she's like kids that need more things to intake, and I got her phone here, and there's an LBC next here, and I'm going to sell this one first so that it's going to be safe to so everything is new here, and actually hopefully this one is going to be accepted in LBC, and we're going to send this to them. And yeah, this is Raquel. Hopefully that you will receive this item, and let me know if you want to receive it, and yeah, give some thumbs up guys.
Vitamins lang.
Opo. Kasi nga advice. Sisrap lang cellphone. Okay. Ito na lang din yung isend ko sa kanya, no? Yung pinakaano dito.
Kasi yung firma.
Raquel. Yan, si Raquel dito lang yan, banda yung padalhan ko. So, ito yung Elvis. Alright, let's go.
Hello guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Click and like and comment below, and thank you for Johnny RJ for this my new cellphone. Thank you very much.
Dapat testing natin yan. Binyagan na natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung
Ito. Ay,
ano. Tingnan pala natin guys kung gumagana yung cellphone kasi baka nasa box lang siya guys tapos hindi pala siya gumagana. We have to test the phone so we know that the phone is working. Maybe it's just a phone and there's nothing on it. Ito pala siya guys, bagong phone niya. Testing natin kung ma-open siya. Hindi siya nag-on.
Ay, ano pa tayo?
Lubat ka? Ay, dito pala. Sorry. Ayun. Uy, nag-on na siya guys. Woo! Sana all Samsung Galaxy. Nag-on na siya mga guys. Pinaganda. A14. Ayan. Nag-on siya. Ito oh. Tayin mo lang.
Okay na. Start. Insert SIM card pa.
Agree to all. Okay. Yan siya guys. Galaxy or Android device. Galaxy. Scan the QR code on your device. Tap. Skip. Choose Wi-Fi. PLDT, anong password? Rene? Ito lang. So, ayan na guys, yung bagong phone ni Ate Suan. Ayan. Nanood na sa aking video. Woo! Samsung Galaxy A14.